What's up, my beautiful people? Richard Hairston here from richardhairston.com. In this video, we're going to be looking at LeadsLeap Review 2022 video and LeadsLeap for Beginners tutorial and how you can get started with LeadsLeap 100% free. At any time you're ready to get started, you can click the link in the description below. Now, I was a part of LeadsLeap way back in the day when it was a traffic exchange, but people have been hitting me up about LeadsLeap, for the last few months. I even had someone hit me up about it a couple of days ago. And I had to let them know that, look, I'm already a member of LeadsLeap. So what I did was I set up a free account, okay? And then I set up a paid account because I want to show you the difference between the free and the paid and what you get access to with the free version and with the paid version. Now, I joined a friend of mine. I set up a whole nother account to join him in it. I have the paid version and I have a free version. So I'm going to show you the free version of what I have right now so I can kind of walk you through what it is that you get access to with the free versus the paid, okay? Now, LeadsLeap, in my opinion, is perfect for beginners, affiliate marketer. For number one, because you can start off for free. Number two, if you decide to upgrade, there's not much overhead. There's not much investment that you have to make, simply because when you first come in, you have the opportunity to come in at $19.95 set up for as long as you remain a member. If you decide to go a few days or a few weeks, then eventually after a few days, it's going to go up to $27 per month, but that's as high as it goes. So either for, $19.95 a month or less than $20 or $27 per month, you're still getting a deal compared to some of the tools that you would have to get access to, if using another affiliate marketing programs, just like I am. Okay. So with that being said, let's go ahead on and move on with this video so I can walk you through this process and you can make a decision whether this is for you or not. The link will be in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's go ahead on and move on. I'm going to drop down in the corner. Okay, so this is my free account, and you can see here it says free versus the pro comparison. With credits, it has built-in traffic. Okay, that's one of the beauties of LeadsLeap. It has built-in traffic, so you can start getting traffic as soon as you sign up for whatever it is that you are promoting. Okay, so you get credit ads. This right here explains, what it is. You get 3 with the pro, you get 10 pro ads, you get none, but you get 10, no credit needed. The new launch ad booster, none of that. Yep, you get that. Traffic from the members area as a free member, traffic from the members area, the blog, co-op network, and if you participate in the co-op. But as a pro member, co-op network 65%, members area 30%, members email 3%, PPC ad widget 1%, link tracker 1%, and blog 1%. The expected traffic for the free, it depends on your credit level and the number of credit ads running. The average monthly paid traffic is at least 5,968 as of today. Note that this is average, updated daily. The average traffic, the actual traffic may be more or less. Okay, you get access to the leads network, free 10, follow-up messages 1. Okay, spillover follow-up none, check. Link tracker, check. Okay, custom pass none, check. Track links in the rotators, you only get a limit of 10. We have unlimited on the pro level. Ad bars limited 10, pro level unlimited. List manager, you get a number of lists 10. It's unlimited with the pro. Send email series, none of that, but you get it with the pro. Send broadcast, you could broadcast emails. You can only do 10 per month. Pro is unlimited. Recurring broadcast, none. Subtitle verification, none, but it all comes with the pro. Page builder, you only get, a limit of 10. Unlimited, for the pro. Custom pass as well. Pop-up expert opt-in generator, limit 10. Okay. Unlimited social reviews. You see right here what they are. You see the X 1.5. You see the different over here. Earning eligibility. Okay. CAT credit enhancement check for both of those. PPC earning check for both of those. Daily active bonus for the free is 5%. For the pro is 10%. Affiliate commissions, and that's the beauty of this. You can earn affiliate commissions even if you're a free member till you get up to where you can actually, pay the monthly fee. So you earn 25% for free, 50%, okay, for the pro level. Okay, the price of course is free. If you come in, it's free, and it's $27 per month. But like I said before, when you come in, it's going to be $19.95. So you have that option to get it right now at $19.95, less than $20 a month, or $20 a month, and then you're locked in at that price. Okay, so you don't have to worry about paying a $27 a month. But even at $27 per month, I believe you're still getting a steal. Okay, so that's what you get. Okay, you can go back through this video again just to see what you get with the free version compared to the pro. So I'm going to go over here to my paid account now. This is the actual paid members area right here. And this is what I see when I log into this, because I'm invested in $19.95 per month. You have a to-do list over here to the right. If you click on any of these ads over here, you can start earning credits. Okay, over here to the left, on the left side over here, you got dashboard support, and they have a blog that you can actually go to whenever they are posting information, and they will always send you an email concerning that. Okay, so this here to click ads credit stats. You can check your stats right here. Okay, all of this information. If we go down to advertising, you can post ad credits. Here you see the credits that you have available. They give you an alert that, you have low on credits and things like that. So you can start looking at some ads here. You see I have an ad set up here for the last 2 days. I've had 99 visits. Okay. That's the credit. We got the pro ads. Okay. I have 2 set up here in the pro ad. You can see the number of visitors I've had, come in looking at my information here. Okay, so I have 2 ads set up here as well. So this is the pro ad section. And like I said, if you want to get rid of this over here, you just simply click on the X, and now it's gone. Everything expands. And so you can just go through here. Then you got view bookmark ads. Okay, where you can set up some bookmarks and things like that. Some of this stuff I'm still going through. I'm still trying to learn it, but it's a nice little system for a beginner. Then we have social reviews. You can set up your own reviews on the products that you have. Okay, I have some here. You have your top recommendation. I have that set up here. Then you can get to read reviews. You can come over here and read other reviews that other people have written in these different categories right here. Okay, so then we go to the link tracker. And this is the beauty, because, to get a link tracker, you would actually have to get something like ClickMagick or QLiker or something like that. This comes with LeadsLeap, so that cuts out you having to have an outside source. And as you see here, I have some tracker links set up that I have been running traffic to. And it's real simple. Now, I'm just walking you through the process right now of walking you through what it is that you get. I'm going to come back in a later date and actually walk you through each tool. Okay, so this is the link tracker. You just simply click here to add a new link. If you got a question, if I click on tutorial, you see it all opens up over here to the right. Okay, to the left, I mean. So if I close it up, it takes us back where we were. We got rotators. It just eliminates you having to go out and purchase outside rotators as well. Okay, so you can set up new link rotators in here as a pro member, as many as you want. There's different features that you get, but I'll show you that in a later video. Ad bars. Okay, I don't use ad bars, but you can on your landing pages and things like that. So, but if you want to create one, you just simply click create, and it's going to take you here, walk you through the process. If you get lost, click on tutorials. Okay. Next, we're going to go to their built-in autoresponder list manager. As you see, I have 2 lists set up here so far. Okay. Just add a new list, watch the tutorial, so you get a built-in autoresponder with this system as well. It is double opt-in, but they have it set up in a way that the person will get 2 emails back to back. Okay, the confirmation email, and then they will get another email to remind them of what it is that they actually opted in for. You can set up email series. As you see, I have some set up here. Okay, unlimited amount of series. You can do email broadcast in here. Okay. You can do blog to broadcast. I haven't checked this out yet, but I think this leads to your blog some kind of way. I'm going to use this. I'm going to see how this one works to my YouTube videos. Okay. So you have your own built-in autoresponder. Save you some money from having to get Aweber, GetResponse, or a system like that. Page manager. This is where you can create your funnels in here. Okay, you see I have several funnels set up in here. And even if I just come down here and take a look at one, if I just click on use, I can grab this link. I can come here and add a tracking to it, like the Warrior form, depending on where I'm promoting it at. If I want to view it, I just simply click on this link right here. That's a nice little page that I created with it. When someone goes there, puts in their information, then they go here. Okay. When they click on this button here, it takes them to where I want them to go. Okay. So as a pro member, you can have unlimited. Okay. But with the free, you only get a certain amount of numbers of those. And I can show you another page that I created as well. So if I click on this one here, and there are some other perks that you get, okay, with being a pro member. So if you decide to get it, I recommend that you go pro. Okay. But watch now, it's a simple little page that you can build and put together. So these are my pages. Now you can organize these pages inside of the funnel manager. Okay. And what I love about this little system is, let's go back for a minute. The beauty of this is if I go here, okay, I think somewhere, let me find it. You have share code. There it is, share code right there. I can give you a share code to my funnels and you just pop it in and it automatically populates. Also with the email series, okay, there's a share code. I give you the share code. You can get all of these emails put into your system. You just have to go in and change out the links. That's the beauty. Another beauty of this little system. Okay, back to the funnel manager. You want to add a new funnel, you simply give it a funnel name, add now, and just go through the process. As I said before, I'm going to come back and do other videos on each section. But once again, there are the tutorials here, tutorials here, and tutorials there. Okay, you have a pop-up generator, form pop-up generator. We go here. I don't have any set up, but there's a tutorial to walk you through the process. Okay, you have a cookie generator. I don't have that set up either. Okay, we have hosting. You can put images in here. See if I have images of myself in here that I can already use. Upload your images in here so you don't have to be trying to go and download them from your hard drive and this, that, and the other. Okay, so you have a PDF manager. You want to upload a PDF that you have written. You can upload it here that you can use as a free giveaway. Okay, then we have money. We have daily active bonuses in here as well. We have credit enhancements. Okay, you got the co-op earnings, all of that stuff here. You got PPC earnings. You're going to have to get the widget. Okay, and that's what this is what you're looking at over here to the left. You can add these on your sites, your websites, or your landing pages if you want. I don't. But, some people do because they want to earn their commission, but I don't. Okay. You can see your followers. You can see how many followers you got and all of this free join date and all this, that, and the other. You can manage your followers here as well. Then you have affiliate links and tools. So they give you plenty of affiliate links to work with. They tell you how to promote some email swipes and some banners. Okay. You have affiliate traffic stats. As you see, I don't have very many at all. It says one a day. That's simply because I've clicked on my own link. but that's about to change. I'm going to start promoting this a little bit. Okay. Here, I think it's a nice little system for beginner affiliate marketers who's looking for a way to actually really make some money online. Okay. Then you have the insider advertising report. Okay. You can read that online. It's going to help you, start learning how to advertise or market your business the correct way. Then you have one sign up a day report. That's another report that you get access to. Then, of course, you can delete your account and downgrade. So if you wanted to get access to this, okay, there's a link in the description. It's actually going to take you to a page that look like this. Simply get your free membership and get signed up and you are good to go. Remember, as a free member, you can also earn a recurring income, 25%, but as a pro member, you earn 50%. So you can get started free today and check out everything. And then you can decide if you're ready to upgrade for $19.95 per month. They're only going to give you a few days. Okay. I don't know exactly how long. So you have to make a decision that this is something that you want to use in order to start your affiliate marketing business. This is my LeadsLeap Review 2022 video. This is just the first of many more to come. So with that being said, I hope you got value from this video. Click the link in the description to set up your free account. If you have any questions, my contact information may be up above. I know it's down in the description. Hit me up on Facebook. Give me a text. Hit me with a call. However you feel comfortable with talking to me. I look forward to speaking with you. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.